ఫాస్ట్ ట్రాక్ నూతన బ్రాంచ్ ను హబ్సిగూడలో సీఈఓ సుప్రణ మిత్రా సౌత్ రీజనల్ మేనేజర్ అజయ్ ద్వివేదితో కలిసి ప్రారంభించారు. ఇవాళ హైదరాబాద్ నగరంలోని హబ్సిగూడ, దిల్సుఖ్ నగర్, కార్ఖానా, బీరంగూడ, నెక్లెస్ మాల్ తో పాటుగా శరత్ సిటీ మాల్లలో కూడా మొత్తం 6 నూతన బ్రాంచ్లను ఒకేసారి ప్రారంభించినట్లు సీఈఓ సుప్రణ మిత్రా తెలిపారు. కస్టమర్ల అభిరుచులకు తగిన డిజైన్లు, మంచి ఆఫర్లతో హ్యాండ్ వాచ్లు, గాగుల్స్, బ్యాగులు, డిజిటల్ వాచ్లు అందుబాటులో ఉంచామని కస్టమర్లు ఈ అవకాశాన్ని సద్వినియోగం చేసుకోవాలని ఆమె తెలిపారు.
Yes, keep smiling.
Keep smiling, keep smiling.
Thank you. Thank you. Only once. Repeat, yeah.
3 cheers, hip hip!
Thank you.
New products are always coming in. Right now, the current, I'll speak a little about the store layout and then I'll come to the new product. As you can see in the store layout, which is very vibrant, well lit, highly energetic, we have on display girls' watches, guys' watches, smart watches are displayed separately, girls' handbags are kept separately, and sunglasses. In the watches segment, we have a new collection called Fleek, F-L-E-E-K, Fleek. These watches have very unique designs which have a lot of facets and different angles. This Fleek collection is doing very well, and we've just gotten a new range in Fleek. Other than that, we have also introduced higher end watches with higher price points, which are also being accepted very much by Fast Track fans. We brought in automatic watches under brand Fast Track. These are actually priced at 9990, And automatic watches, as you know, is a premium offering. Within Fast Track, also we brought it in, and it has sold very well. The other new introduction as far as product is concerned is ceramic watches. This is called Cerame, Cerema. This is a new collection of ceramic watches which is also doing very well in Fast Track. Other than that, we have, like I said, smart watches where we have new collections. Girls' watches also, there is a lot of exciting fashionable designs. Fast Track stands for fashion, and today Fast Track watches are the most fashionable on-trend designs. We also have a new sub-brand called Vibe for girls only. These are extremely fashionable watches that are also selling very well. Stores, Fast Track stores, which are getting opened. The overall footprint of Fast Track stores in the country is 220. Last year we renovated 30 stores and we also opened 30 new stores. So this, as of the start of this financial year, we have a total of 220 Fast Track stores in the country, and this rapid expansion and renovation is very important for us. Fast Track stores is a place where all the different categories of Fast Track come together in under one roof. Analog watches, smart watches, sunglasses, bags, as well as perfumes and fragrances. These are the many categories that are all present, and this is therefore the favorite brand of the youth of India, and Fast Track store then becomes a favorite destination for all of the youth who want to buy all these exciting categories. Within the Fast Track store, as you can see, analog watches are the biggest category, and this brand started with analog watches. So a lot of stylish new designs come in every year, almost every month. We have also introduced a lot of smartwatches. Smartwatch is a new category which has done very well in the last 3 or 4 years, and Fast Track stores are a very good place to experience all of the Fast Track range of smartwatches. Other than that, sunglasses, bags, and perfumes and fragrances